Hello Udemy, I am Shahzad Ahmed from Shakespeare.com and welcome in lecture number 3. Today we are going to discuss about the script tags. If you are not familiar with the script tags, so first of all, what are script tags? I am saying this is script. तो भाई ये script वाला काट देना. So hello Udemy, I am Shahzad Ahmed from Shakespeare.com and welcome in lecture number 3. Today we are going to discuss about the script tags, and we also going to discuss about how to use the JavaScript in your HTML environment or in your HTML file. So first of all, what is a script tag? So as you can see, this is the script and this is a script tag. These are the script tags, and you can place any JavaScript code between these tags. Okay, how? For suppose I'm saying console.log and now I'm saying working. Don't worry if you are not familiar with console.log, we will discuss about the console.log environment. Okay, just refresh the page. Now right click, inspect element, open your console. So now as you can see, it's saying working. So that means you have to place your JavaScript code inside these tags. Okay, now where you can use the Java tags, script tags, you can also place anywhere in your HTML. First of all, you can also place your HTML script tags here. Go to your page, refresh the page. Now as you can see, it's saying also working fine. And you can also place your script tags in the header sections. We will discuss about the header sections, that how can you insert your JavaScript, your separate JavaScript file. So don't worry about this. Go to your page, refresh the page. So now console, right click, inspect element, and then click on the console. Make sure I'm using the Chrome editor, sorry, the Chrome browser. No, this is not the editor. So it's saying working fine. You can also place in the body anywhere. So it's totally depend upon you how you are working. For suppose if you have a external JavaScript file, how can you manage them? Now I'm saying in the JavaScript, we have the JavaScript folder in our F drive. So as you can see, this is the F drive and we have the JavaScript folder. So in the JavaScript folder, we have an index.html file, which we have created. So now I'm creating the folder, the directory here. I'm saying assets. Okay. The name of the directory, assets. So in the JavaScript folder, we have an assets directory. So in the assets directory, I'm going to create the JavaScript file. So here is the JavaScript file. Make sure, how can you create your JavaScript file? You can, because this is the PHP store, so that's why it's automatically creating, or it automatically create the extensions for you. If you have the notepad editor, you have to save your file. For suppose my scripting, or you can give any name. For suppose I'm saying custom.js. You have to add JS file if you are creating a JavaScript file. JS means JavaScript file. So here I'm not going to use the .js extension because the PHP Storm editor create the JS extensions for me. Okay, so now I'm saying custom. Okay, so the file name is custom, the type is .js. Just click on the okay. So now as you can see, I have just created the custom.js file in my assets folder. So how can you, I'm saying console.log, and now I'm saying make sure console braces and now double quotations. You have to use double quotations if you are using the string or something like that. I'm saying working, external working, or I'm saying external script working. So now how can go to your page? First of all, go to your browser, refresh the page, or go to your folder. So as you can see, we have a JavaScript folder and we have an index.php, index.html file, and we have just created the assets folder. In the assets folder, we have created the custom .js file properties. So as you can see, this is the .js file extension. Okay, so now JavaScript, click on the index.html file. So now as you can see, fine. Now right click, inspect element and console. So now as you can see, it's not working. Why? Because you have to embed this file, or you have to attach this file in your HTML file. So where you can add the JS file. You can also add the JS file in the header section. First of all, you can also use the JS file in the body, here or here. But the best practice, you have to add the JS file for now in the header, or you can also use the JS file here where your body ends. So now I'm saying script. How can you add? I'm saying type. I'm saying text slash JavaScript. Okay. Now I'm saying src. I'm saying go to the assets folder, and in the assets folders I have a custom.js file. Okay, so now go to your page, refresh the page, and now right click, inspect element, console. As you can see, it's saying external script working, because you have successfully attached, or you have successfully embedded your external JS file in your HTML environment. Okay, so now for suppose if you are giving the wrong path, for suppose I'm saying assets 3s or 3s, because this folder is not available here. So how can you debug? So right click, go to your page, refresh the page, right click, inspect element, console. So now as you can see, it's saying custom.js file is not available in this folder, because it's giving you the error. Okay, so in this way you can debug your code. Once you provide the right path and the right file. So now I'm saying assets custom.js file. This is the right path and this is the right file. So now go to your page, refresh the page, right click, inspect element, go to console. It's saying working fine. For suppose if you are giving the wrong file name, for suppose I'm saying this file is not available in this folder, which is the assets. Refresh, right click, inspect element, console. So now as you can see, it's also saying that this file is not available. Where here, as you can see, it's also pointing you console. In the console you have, it's saying index.html in the line of 6. So you have an index.html in the line of 6, you have your error. So in this way you can debug your code. Click on. So now as you can see, it's saying failed, scripting failed. Okay, I'm saying this is the custom.js file. Now go to your page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, it's saying that you have successfully embedded or attached the JS, the external JS file. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover some other topics. So thank you for watching.